Birds are truly the beautiful creation on the earth. Their sizes, types, sounds, various species in every aspect are not only the attraction of the universe, but like water, forest, land, they are gift for the earth. Birds seen on water and the forest resemble as if fragrance on gold for the earth. Just as mountain is barren without trees, so a forest is desolate without a birds. Chirping of birds, dazzling sounds, is like a more melodious music of the earth. There is a magic in it. There is a mantra that attracts everyone. Our rivers, lake, pond, hills and wetlands are all magnificent and attractive for everyone. The area of Lumbini region from Triveni to Tilaurakot is gift of the earth. Therefore, the rivers, streams, lakes, ponds and wetland areas from Triveni to Tilaurakot in the Lumbini region are not only a boon for aquatic animals and birds, but also a paradise. Studies of ornithologists have shown that there are more than 400 species of birds in this sacred land area, as it has been the abode of saints and bodhisattvas since ancient times and a place of compassion for the birds. The area is an attraction to bird watchers, ornithologists, and researchers, as it is home to migratory birds and many rare species of birds. The confluence of three rivers in the region, including Triveni, Tinau, Rohini, Danda, Danav, Telar, Kanchan, and dozen of other rivers, is not only a breeding ground for birds, but also a source of sufficient food. Due to the abundance of green forest, mountain, rivers, and water canal lakes, in this beautiful area and wetland area, there is an abundance of birds here. It's like a playground for hundreds of species of birds. Similarly, Jagdishpur Lake and lakes like Gajari, Gairahwa and wetland areas of Lumbini Kapilvastu region are rare and a boon for native and guest bird. After all, why are there more than 400 species of bird in this region? According to ornithologist Dr. Hem Sagar Baral, the area is rich in rivers, lakes and wetland. And another important aspect is that the birds have chosen this area because of its abundance of nutritious food in the fields and rivers. The birds choose this area because of the abundance of grains that fall and insects that survive in the fields after harvesting paddy, wheat and other crops. Even during the season of corn and fruits, plenty of birds come to find the food and choose this area. This is a beautiful light-colored little bird named Baya Bunkar. With its own engineering, it builds its own house. It is said to be the first bird to build a house on earth, and the ancient man was inspired to build a house by learning from it. From Vangera to Bagedi, Dhukur, Chilcrow, white-breast Jureli, Garud, Murali bird, Saras crane, Silsile, Hutitiao, Leisure, Adjutant, Asian open bill, red wattle lapwing, little bunting, Indian spotted eagle, grey heron, purple sunbird, parrot, chestnut tail, starling common cuckoo bird, and hundreds beautiful species of native birds can be seen in this area. Their charming voices and melodious voices give a different feeling of joy in the river and forest area. The sound of birds have both joy and magic, while the combination of different sound of different kinds of birds create their own rhythms. A voice that sounds sweet and melodious to everyone. Winter months in this area are a paradise for birds. With the onset of winter, visitor birds from Siberia to Tajikistan, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Tibet, and other areas visit the region to roam and to find food. Such birds are called guest birds in the local language. Among the guest birds, mostly Ruddy Sadlock, Gadwall, Eurasian Weasel, Mallard, Cotton Pygmy Goose, Common Teal, Northern Pintail, Red-crested Pochard, Common Pochard, Ferruginous Pochard, and a large number of guest birds come to the area in the winter to enjoy sunny weather and eat the plenty of food in this region. From Triveni to Lumbini to Kapilvastu, beautiful rivers, lakes, wetlands and farms and beautiful gardens with a favorable weather, pleasant and sunny weather and plenty of food to eat. Winter is a good time in this area for the birds. Traveling thousands of miles in the search of beautiful region, and this region being choice of the guest bird is a pleasant aspect for us. After a couple of months of pleasant stay during sunny days, these birds return back to their destination as soon as summer begins. It is also a matter of pride for us that Terai region of Nepal is chosen by the guest bird, flying with their own wings without a visa, crossing different countries with the joy, not only in the river and lake area, but also in 60% of land area of 776 hectare land of Lumbini Development Trust. A beautiful flower garden has been constructed with a circular levee pond, canals, wetlands area to add attraction for the birds. According to Dr. Hem Sagar Baral,
Lumbini is a very special place, special for varieties of birds that live here all throughout the year, as well as those which come here during winter time as well as during the summer. Lumbini has a special network of wetlands, varieties of farmlands, and different patches of remnant forest that are dotted along the Lumbini farmscape. When I say Lumbini farmscape, the area includes east from Triveni all the way west to Banganga River. And within it lies one of the most important wetlands for birds and biodiversity, and that is the Jagdishpur Reservoir, where more than 200 species of birds have been recorded here, including several species of ducks that come from Siberia. For example, the red-crested pochard, the ferruginous duck, the tufted duck, northern pintail, widgeons, northern soblers, and variety of other birds.
Lumbini alone, more than 200 species of native and guest birds are found. Among the endangered species, the king of bird, crane sarus, is considered to be the main bird of the region. The Lumbini Development Trust has created a wetland area for the conservation of crane in hundreds of hectares of land. The Lumbini Cultural Municipality has recognized this beautiful bird crane as a city bird due to its importance and charm with the Buddha's life. As the locals also understand its importance and love Sarus crane and all the birds are well protected and safe in this area, adding more attraction to the touristic importance of this region.